Hey. Hello.
The bottom might be locked.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Hopefully the top it's open.
Yeah, it is a smart lock though.
Uh-huh.
Is the key inside?
No, I lost my key.
Oh, you lost. Do you have a picture of your key by any chance?
A picture?
Yeah.
No,
He does?
oh, he's at work right now.
Can you call him for one? Ask him if the top one's locked.
Okay, can you send a picture of it?
You gonna destroy the door?
No.
Did you send
Unless you want me to.
No,
No.
I'm the landlord. No,
I know.
we're already in trouble.
Yeah. Okay, you're sending a picture? Okay.
You said the same key goes to both locks.
Yeah, that I understand, but the bottom one is a latch, so you can like use like a flathead to go through it. But the top one,
Yeah, I tried a knife, it didn't work.
try a knife, it didn't work. I can tell a little bit. Do you remember if you locked the top one?
My friend left before I got here and he said he didn't lock the top one.
Oh, you didn't?
No.
Okay.
I lost my keys on the way back here.
Oh, so he's got a key at work. Okay. Oh, you should have told me. I could have brought you a key. What's that? No need. Nothing broken. At least not worse than it was before.
Oh, you just came in back?
Let me unlock it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.